Okay, let's common multiple. We need to find a number that it's a multiple of 180 and 594. The number must be a multiple of those two, and must be the smaller, the smaller divisor. Multiple, smaller multiple.
Is it 2?
No, multiple. We need multiple. No, not the factor. Do you know how to find
No.
this? Okay. We can start making a table. Podríamos comenzar haciendo una tabla. 180, 360, 540, 720. Y aquí tendríamos que hacer otra tabla. 594, 1184. No, sí, 1184, I think.
No.
88. Okay, 1188. The next it's okay. Oh, okay. But we need a number that ends with 0. So our first maybe it could be 5. Maybe it's 2,970. We need to know if this is a multiple of 180. But this is a little difficult. Well, it's cumbersome. It's a lot of work. So there are ways for solving this. First, we are going to factor in prime numbers, this one. If you factor this, what do you get? Vamos a factorizar este número. ¿Cómo queda su factorización? Tiene mitad. Tiene mitad. Tiene quinta. Tiene tercera. Tiene tercera. So we got 2 at 5. 2 at 2, 3 at 2, and 5. Okay? Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going to factor 584. Vamos a factorizar 594. Okay, queremos
It's divisible by 2.
Okay. 2. Okay.
Divisible by 9.
Okay. 3 and 3. It's 33. Okay.
It's divisible by 11 and 3.
3 and 11. Okay. Okay. So we've got 2, 3 and 3. 11. Okay. Well, if we want a multiple of this number, it must be 2 multiplied by 3 at 2 by 5 by something more. ¿Ya? Si queremos un múltiplo de este número, 2 al cuadrado por 3 al cuadrado por 5, que es 180, necesitaríamos esto multiplicado por algún número. Puede ser 1, 2, 3, 4. ¿Ok? Do you understand this? But I want that this number must be multiple of this one. So we still need, we already have a 2 here, okay? We have 2 factors 3. So we need another one. And we need an 11. Okay? Do you understand the idea?
Yes.
Okay. So if you need to find the least common multiple of these numbers, first you must factor them. Okay? Primero los factorizamos. If we have, when we have the factor of every number, we will use, we know that this must have a factor 2, factor 3, factor 5, and factor 11. But how many of everyone? ¿Cuántos necesitamos de cada uno? We must see the power of every number. Necesitamos checar la potencia, el exponente de cada número. And we're going to use the greater of them. Okay?
So 2 to the second power,
Uh-huh.
3 to the third power,
Mhm.
5
5,
times 5 times 11.
11. Okay? This is the way for finding the least common multiple. Okay?
10.
There are more multiples. There are more common multiples. Hay más múltiplos comunes, but they are bigger. So we are finding the less, the lower, the smaller. Okay? So we are going to divide this. This is the least common multiple. 2 at 2, 3 at 3, 5, 11. We can multiply those numbers, but we don't want to do that because maybe we can find some way for answering the problem. Now we are going to find the greatest common factor. You already said it can be divided by 2. Okay? But this is a multiple of 3. And this is also a multiple of 3. So they both have the factor 6. Okay? Do you understand this idea?
Yeah.
Okay.
But don't we both have a factor of 3 squared?
Okay. Yeah.
Mhm.
So if we want to find the greatest common, okay, the greatest common factor, we are going to see the numbers. We can have a 2, a 3, a 5, or an 11. But 11, it's not in both numbers. So we are going to do, vamos a eliminar ese 11, ¿sí? We are not going to use this 11. 5, it's only in here, so this does not count. We have here a 2, and he have 2 factors 3. Okay. So if we want to find the greatest common factor, we need to factor every number. We need to factor in primes. So we are going to see the numbers, the factors, and we need to see the power, but we are going to use the smaller of them. Here we have a 2 and here we have a 1. So okay, we have a mistake here. We are going to use 1. Here we have 2 and we have 3. We are going to use the smaller. Okay? Here
Okay.
we have 1 and we can see this as if we have a 5, but the 0 uh, at 5 at 0. So we are not going to use this. And we are not going to use this. Do you understand the idea?
Yes.
It's the same for both. We need to factor the numbers. But if we want the multiple, we are going to use the greatest of every power. And if we need to find the greatest common factor, we are going to use the smaller of every power. Okay? Do you understand the idea?
Sí.
Okay. Bien, ahora lo único que resta, lo único que nos falta es simplificar esta expresión para ver qué resultado tenemos. Okay. If we simplify this, we will have 2 multiplied by 3 by 5 by 11. Okay. So I think that this will be 3/300. No. Only 1 0. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Este proceso es muy útil y es muy común. No lo habíamos usado hasta el momento, pero es importante que lo puedas hacer bien y fácilmente. ¿Sí? ¿Sí te,
Okay.
sí te queda claro? Ok, es un procedimiento muy importante, hay que saberlo muy bien. Entonces, 2014. Okay. Now we are going to work on problem number 10. 11. Okay. 11 and 11. Do you understand this problem?
Sí.
Okay.
Um, actually, do they mean how many minutes was in total across all the days?
I don't understand. What do you say?
When we say how many minutes less, do they mean that across the week, how many minutes he is on treadmill?
Okay, you already okay. The grandfather used his treadmill on 3 days this week. He went 2 miles each day. 2 miles. Day one. Day two. Day three. Okay. On Monday, he jogged at the speed of 5 miles. Okay, every day he went 2 miles. Two, two, and two. Okay. How many minutes? Okay. He's walking 2 miles at the speed of 5 miles. So he will use 24 minutes.
Okay.
Sí. Está trabajando, avanza 2 millas a una velocidad de 5 millas por hora y lo vamos a convertir en minutos. ¿Ok?
Okay.
And the second day, he will walk 2/3 of 7 minutes. Do you agree?
Mm.
4 minutes. And in day three, okay, 30 minutes. 2/4 times 16 minutes. Okay, 13. If grandfather had always walked at 4 miles per hour, okay, he will walk 30 minutes here. He will walk TLT here and 30 here. Okay. So what's the answer? What is the answer?
Four minutes less.
Okay. Yeah, it's D. Okay. 4 minutes less. Problem number 12. What percentage? Okay. Do you know how to solve this?
Sí.
Okay. Do you have ¿tienes cuaderno y pluma para trabajar? It's important to write. Okay, even if you can make a problem without writing, it's important that you um, um, Es importante que te acostumbres a escribir, porque en los problemas difíciles, sí, va a ser muy útil cualquier cosa que escribas. Do you know how to solve this?
Sí.
Okay. You already have the answer?
No.
Okay. Can you explain what you are doing?
So I am calculating the percentage of the very special
Okay.
compared to discount if you get 3 sandals to $150.
Okay. Uh, he's going to buy 3 pairs. Okay.
Yeah.
The first pair costs 50. The second pair, ¿cuánto le
The
cuesta?
second pair costs $30.
Okay, $3. There are 2 ways uh, for for getting this. Hay 2 maneras para obtener esto. La primera, dices 50, lo multiplicamos por 40 sobre 100. We are going to find what is 40% of 50. Okay, we will get 20, and we are going to subtract 20 from 50. Okay, we get 30. But it's easier if you are going to have a discount of 40%, you are going to pay 60%. So it's easier if you multiply this. ¿Ya? En lugar de calcular el por 40% y restarlo, tú calculas el 60%, que es lo que vas a pagar. ¿Ok? Do you understand this?
Sí.
Okay. And the third pair, el tercer par,
$25.
$25. Okay. So he's going to pay 105. Okay.
Okay.
So if we know that 100% it's equivalent $150. So what percentage did 105 represent? You already have the answer?
No.
Okay. We are going to apply a rule of 3. Una regla de 3. We have 3 values and we need to find the other value, okay, the 4th value. There is a way for solving this, okay. Well, there are several ways, okay. Primer forma. You need to see the numbers that are opposite, okay? We are going to multiply 100 times 105. We need this value. So if we multiply those two, we will get the same, okay? So we have an equation and you can solve it. Let's try this. Okay. Do you know how to solve this equation?
Sí,
Okay. What do you get?
estoy haciendo.
Okay. Do you need some help?
Sí.
Okay. We can multiply those two. We will get 1500s. No,
Mm,
no. 1 of 500. Okay. So we need to divide this. Okay. ¿Puedo borrar esto? ¿Puedo borrar esta parte? ¿Sí puedo borrar esto, Sebastián? Para tener más
sí.
espacio para trabajar. Ok. No te conviene hacer divisiones tan grandes. Mejor vamos a simplificar. How can we simplify this?
Um, um, so they're both divisible by 10.
Okay. And here we are going to use a little trick. Instead of making this lower terms, we can multiply by 2. We are going to obtain 100. No, 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 no. We are going to get 2100. Okay?
Now they're both divisible by 10
Okay.
or 100.
Okay. So we can subtract this, and we are going to get 7.
7.
Okay, I think
We got 70.
ok, a ver, 105, dos ceros, 150, un cero, este, 300. No, 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 no. This is a 30 because we already have erased those
Um,
zeros. Okay, so the answer is 70.
I also got 70, but
Okay, this is 70%. 105, it's a 70% of 150. Okay, remember, when we write the rule of 3, we write here percentages, and here we write prices. So we wanted, we know that 100% it's 150. What percentage will be 105? So the answer, if this is a percentage, the answer must be a percentage. Okay? Percentage. I don't know how to pronounce percentage. Okay, do you understand the idea?
okay.
If he paid 70%, he saved 30%. The answer is 30. Okay? Do you understand the idea?
See.
Okay. This can be made faster. Percentages. Okay, let me see how it is pronounced. Mm.
Percentage.
Percentage. Okay. Okay. A percentage, it's only a fraction with a denominator 100. So we only need to divide this by this. Okay. We have 210 over 300. We can divide this. Oh, okay. No, 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 no. We can divide by 3. We will get 70 over, no, this is 300 over 100. Yeah, this is the answer. Do you understand the idea? Well,
Yes.
this is what he paid. The answer is 30%. Okay. Los porcentajes son fracciones. Fracciones en donde convertimos el denominador en 100. Entonces, lo único que tenemos que hacer son procesos de conversión o, en todo caso, convertirlo a números decimales. 0.70. ¿Sí? ¿Sí queda claro, Sebastián?
Sí.
Ok. Okay. Uh, this. Do you understand this problem? Do you understand this problem?
Sí.
Okay. Do you have ideas for solving?
No.
No? Okay. Pick a number, any number, anyone.
15.
15? Okay. Okay. If Clara wanted to write 15, she reversed the units, digits, and 10 digits. Instead of writing 15, what number does she write?
5.
5. What is the difference?
45.
Okay. Pick any other number.
15.
15. Okay. If we 15, if we change unit digits and 10 digits,
Then it's 51.
51. If we guard toward the exclusion, reverse the units. Now, what is the difference here?
I am.
It's
Oh.
51 minus 15. It's 36. Okay. Pick another one. We are exploring the problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Pick another number.
23.
23. So we are going to interchange the numbers. We will have 32. If we subtract this, what do we get? $32 minus 23. What do we get?
8.
No, I don't think so. It's 9. Okay. Yeah. Do you see something special in those 3 numbers?
Oh, they're multiples of 9.
Okay. If you want to believe this, you can answer the problem.
Then it's 45.
Okay. Yes, but maybe you have some doubts about this answer. Okay. Tal vez tengas algunas dudas sobre esta respuesta. Pero cuando no sepa responder un problema, toma casos particulares. Es un proceso de exploración. We are only exploring. When we use special numbers, some number, any number, we are exploring the problem. Okay. In algebra, if we write this what does this mean in algebra?
It means A times B.
8 times D, okay? But sometimes we want to express a two-digit number. So we will write this, a line like this, okay? This means that this is a two-digit number. This way of writing, it's very useful for explaining a problem, but it's not useful if you want to make some algebra. If you want to make some algebra, you must translate this into this. ¿Sí? Esto es muy útil para expresar un problema, para señalar lo que dice un problema, pero esto no sirve para hacer operaciones, no sirve para álgebra. Necesitamos transformarlo en una ecuación algebraica. Do you understand this idea?
Yeah.
Okay, now,
Yeah.
for example, if we have X, Y, Z, and a line over them, what does this mean? How we are going to translate this?
100 and X plus 10Y plus Z.
Sí, okay. Well, we are going to write this. Then Clara wanted to write this, but she write this. And we're going to find the difference between those numbers. Okay. So if we translate this to algebra, what do we get? Cuando traducimos esto al álgebra, ¿qué obtenemos?
10A plus B minus 10B plus A. Could we simplify that?
Okay. I already changed the signs here. But if we simplify, what do we get?
Is it 10B plus A there?
Okay. 10A minus A. 9A. Okay. And if we simplify this, we will get minus 9B. So we will get 9 times A minus B. Okay? You understand this?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have some doubts?
Yes.
Okay. In which
Because is it supposed to be 10B plus A?
okay. It's because we are subtracting 10B plus A. But if we want to subtract this, we need to subtract 10B and we need to subtract A.
Right.
That's why we get 10B minus A. Okay?
Okay.
Do you agree?
Okay.
We are going to subtract all this. We are going to subtract all this. We are going to subtract every one of the members of this equation. Okay. Yeah. Now, do you understand this and this?
Okay.
So every time we will get 9 times something. So we are going to get a multiple of 9. Yeah. For example, if he choose 73, this formula says that we need to subtract 7 minus 3. And we are going to multiply this by 9. So the answer must be 36 in this case. Okay, let's see. Minus 6 minus 7, it's 6. 7 minus 4, it's 3. Okay. Yeah. With every time we are going to get a multiple of 9. ¿Sí? ¿Sí queda claro eso, Sebastián?
Sí.
Ok. Entonces, es importante usar los paréntesis correctos. We need to write with parentheses. Okay. In this case, this can be written this way, but because we don't have here any sign, we can skip this step. But it's very important if we are going to write this minus 10b plus a, we need to write the parentheses. Okay.
Okay.
And then we made the change of the signs. This minus signs change everything that is inside the parentheses. Okay. Let's see. We're going to work the problem number 14.
Is it half of the time D?
D?
Okay.
Okay, let's see. We can use a tree diagram. Okay. Okay, it can be that Abe holds one green and one red jelly bean. Okay. So Abe can have green or red. Okay. Now we are going to write Bia. Bia can hold one green or one yellow or two red. So red one or red two. Because he can take any one of the two red. Okay. Now we have here green, yellow, red one, or red two. Okay.
Okay.
So in how many cases they match? They have colors that match. Do you remember how to use the tree diagram?
Okay.
Okay. This is one case, green and green. This is one case.
There's three different.
Three
Yes.
different. Of how many?
There are eight.
Three eights. So it's C. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes tree diagram is a very useful a very useful tool. Okay. But we can solve this problem in a different way. El diagrama de árbol es una herramienta muy poderosa, ¿sí? Y puede ser muy útil para resolver problemas como esto. Y si te fijas, no es tardado. It's not cumbersome, and it's not, we don't need a lot of time. It's very fast, okay? But we can make, if we want to take match, they can both have green or red, okay? What is the probability that Abe holds the green jelly bean? It's 1/2, okay? La probabilidad de que Abe tome el verde es 1 de 2, un medio. And what is the probability that Bea holds one green jelly bean?
1 in 4.
1 in 4, okay? So the probability that they match with the green jelly bean will be 1/4 or over 8, okay? The probability that they match the red, okay. The probability that A holds the red, it's 1/2. What is the probability that B holds the red?
Um, 2 in 4, 1/2.
24, okay. If we multiply this, the probability of this is 2x. We can have this case or this case. Every time in combinatorics, in probability, that we have an or, the or it's translated and as a plus sign. So we will have 3x. Do you understand this idea?
Sí.
You can use tree diagram or you can use probability. You will get the same result. Okay? Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Okay, muy bien. Do you want that we solve one more?
No.
No? Okay. Well, if you have time, you try the first problems. I think that they will be very easy for you. Si tienes tiempo, intenta los primeros problemas. Creo que van a ser muy fáciles para ti los primeros, pero sirven como ejercicio, sí, los primeros 8. ¿Ok? Bueno, pues por hoy nos despedimos. Que tengas una bonita tarde, un bonito día y bonitas vacaciones. Hasta luego, Sebastián.